Google Assistant. So this is a phone. It feels very light and it feels very cheap. Okay, it feels like you can just break it just by bending it. I'm even scared. Hi! Hello guys, and welcome again to our tech channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing a Nokia C2. It's an Android phone. It's a Go edition. What Go basically means is you get Android updates as soon as Google pushes it, so you don't need to wait for the manufacturer or wait for your service provider. And it's a 5.7 inch high definition screen. It's got a 1 gig RAM, so that means it's your basic entry level phone. So this is a phone you buy for your parents, you buy for your grandmother. I don't think it's a phone that will suit most of our viewers for this channel. Right, so what comes in a box? Very quickly, I must make sure I'm not gonna damage this box, because this phone, it's gonna be sold. It's still gonna be sold, still gonna belong to a customer, and I mustn't switch it on. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's see what comes in a box. This very cheap phone. There's the phone, as I've said again. It's 5.7 inch, 18:9 aspect ratio. The battery is 2800 milliamps. The selfie camera is 5 megapixel and the rear camera is 5 megapixel. It comes with a Google Assistant. So this is the phone. It feels very light and it feels very cheap. Okay, it feels like you can just break it just by bending it. I'm even scared to bend this one. It feels like it's gonna break. And surprise, this is one of the phones where you can remove the battery and replace the battery. So your international consumers that travel a lot, they like that, because when you run out of battery, you just need to carry the second battery. Okay, so in the box comes your charger. I don't know, this looks like a 5-watt charger. You can connect any USB cable there, and the actual cable, it's an old USB cable. It's not a USB type C, so that's a disadvantage. I'm sorry guys, I cannot undo all this because this phone is still gonna go to a customer. And it comes with your regular earbuds. Because it's a cheap phone, it's not a high-end phone. It also comes with a 3.5mm jack, right? And then the user manual that nobody's going to read. And the thing I like about cheap phones, it comes with this protective case for free, so you can protect your phone right there. Okay guys, thank you for joining us in this quick unboxing of the Nokia C2. This phone is sold internationally, but this phone does very well in India. Please like the video and subscribe if you haven't already, and see you on the next one.